This presentation is about how STEM and math helps us build our dream school. Our team number is 9295B. Our school name is Lord Baltimore Elementary. Our team name is Penn State. Our team members are Amelia, Anthony, Mackenzie, David, and Nolan. How do we use math for building a school? We use math for building. Engineers use algebra, geometry, and other basic math. They first decide what to build, then they draw it out and make touch-ups in the drawing to make a design. Then they send the blueprint to the group they are making it for. Next, they start building the school. These are the websites that helped us figure out the information we needed. How does math help us build a dream school? Math helps us build a dream school because we need to know the dimensions, measurements, and angles. For example, the length, width, height, area, and perimeter. Math also helps us build a dream school because we need algebra, geometry, architecture, angles, and blueprints. What kind of math do architects use? Architects use math that is associated with dimensions. They use dimensions to build their bridges. They also use dimensions to build buildings and railroad tracks. They also need to use geometry. They need to use geometry to find out angles for their projects.
Why do we need angles to build a dream school? We need right angles for the corners. If there was acute and obtuse angles for the corners, the building would collapse. Most things in the U.S. are mostly made from lines.
Why do we use math for building a dream school? We use math for building a dream school so we know the dimensions, area, and perimeter. For example, we would need to know the length and width of the building. Also, you would need to make sure the building would fit in the lot.
How does robotics help us build your dream school? Robotics helps us build our dream school by we get access to machines that can do more than we can. For example, lifting things we cannot lift and doing things we cannot do. For example, we can't lift bricks to a certain story level.